Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Good morning, everyone. How are you today?
Good morning. I'm fine. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you. Okay, before we start, let me check your attendance first. Elia,
Present.
Dea,
Present.
Dinda,
Present.
Naisha.
I'm here.
Okay, semua hadir ya hari ini. And then, Dinda, please lead the prayer.
Okay, before we start, pray begin. Finish.
Okay, thank you, Dinda. So, sebelum kita mulai ke materinya, I want to ask you a simple question. What is one polite behavior in your daily life?
Polite behavior.
Iya, perilaku sopan yang kalian lakukan sehari-hari.
Salim.
Salim, and then salim, salam, senyum, say thank you. Terus apa lagi?
Say please.
Iya, tolong. And then? Okay, so good. That is a good example. Okay. Nah, so in sociology, polite behavior is called a social norms. Social norms guide how we behave in society. Jadi norma sosial ini mengatur bagaimana kita bersikap di masyarakat. Nah, for international relation student, understanding social norm is very important because different culture have different norms. Jadi ini penting buat kita terutama di jurusan apa kita? Hubungan internasional, karena setiap budaya yang di setiap negara itu punya norma yang berbeda-beda. Jadi kita harus bisa memahami satu sama lain. Nah, and then so today we will learn about social norms and everyday behavior. So, at the end of the lesson, you are expected to understand politeness and practice polite communication English. Jadi, diharapkan kalian dapat memahami dan juga mempraktikkan perilaku sopan dalam bahasa Inggris. Then, sociological concept. The first, social norms, accepted behavior in society, and politeness strategies, ways to show respect like tone, gesture, body language. Jadi ini bisa dilihat dari nada kita bicara, dari gesture kita, dan juga body language kita. And then sanction, reaction to norms violations, positive or negative feedback. Jadi ini bisa sanksinya bisa positif atau juga negatif. And then turn talking and personal space, respect in conversation and physical boundaries. Okay, next. Nah, so next, you will watch the video, the title, Politeness in Everyday Communication. Nah, please focus on behavior, politeness, and social interaction-nya ya. Jadi, untuk pertama ini kalian perhatiin dulu aja ini videonya tentang apa. Dan selanjutnya nanti Miss akan kasih 2 kali untuk kalian mengerjakan tugas. Oh ya, untuk tugasnya. Tugasnya itu lihat di LKPD yang sudah Miss berikan di grup. Itu ada you need to complete 4 rows in the table. Each rows include observe behavior, social norms, possible sanction, and vocabulary. Nah, maksudnya, behavior ini apa yang dilakukan orang secara terlihat, apa aksi yang dilakukan orang di dalam video tersebut. And then next, politeness. Nah, ini fokusnya cara bertutur dan bersikap yang menunjukkan hormat. Jadi apa yang seharusnya dilakukan. And then social interaction. Nah, selanjutnya Miss akan kasih kalian video yang berjudul Politeness in Everyday Communication. Nah, please focus on behavior, politeness, and social interaction from the video. Terus Miss di sini akan kasih 2 kali untuk melihat video. Yang pertama kalian bisa ditonton dulu, lalu yang kedua nanti untuk mengerjakannya. Nah, untuk LKPD-nya Miss sudah kirimkan di grup, silakan silakan dikerjakan di kertas. You need to complete 4 rows in the table. Jadi tadi Miss sudah kasih tunjuk tabelnya seperti apa. Dan each rows include observe behavior, social norms, possible sanction, and vocabulary-nya. Jadi untuk observe behavior itu apa yang terlihat atau dilakukan di video seperti kata-katanya, gesture, nada bicara dan lainnya. Terus social norm itu maksudnya aturan sosial yang tidak tertulis yang seharusnya diikuti pada situasi itu. Misalnya harus sopan atau tidak memotong pembicaraan. Terus ada possible sanction itu konsekuensi sosialnya. Terus vocabulary identify itu kosakata yang digunakan, contoh seperti norm, behavior, sanction, atau lainnya. Nah, selanjutnya, I will play the video for the first time. Just watch and listen. No writing yet, okay?
Okay.
Why do I need to ask politely?
Because people respond better to questions.
Why don't you go? Is jumping right?
Your mission, find Bear Tian and ask Nelson.
All right, let's do this. It'll do. What a burst, you smaller. Where's your manners? Get lost. Go away. Man, Paris is savage. Hey man, so tell me, what on earth is worth you?
Pardon, you budget. No bonjour, no s'il plan. Sacrament only. Oh, you do. Why is everything a boss battle today? Bro, this is actually a hit.
Man, you here? Okay, I'll try again. Like, jeez, it's so hard. Excuse me, sir. Sorry to bother you, but would you tell me what is worth you?
Bertio, take your choice. Go straight ahead, take the second left. It's right on Rue Saint-Louis.
Well, I guess being polite is the trick. Wait, ice cream shop? All this mess is for an ice cream?
Indeed. Now they have made the station.
Nah, sekarang setelah kalian tonton video itu, silahkan lengkapi LKPD kalian. Please work in individually for about 7 minutes, cukup? Oke, silahkan kerjain. Kalau misalkan kalian ada yang mau ditanyain, boleh. Aulia, aman? Finish? Okay. Okay, finish. Okay, now discuss your answer with your partners. Coba diskusikan jawaban yang udah kalian dapetin sama teman sebelahnya. Nah, kalau udah, coba Miss tanya, what behavior in the video show politeness? Jadi dari video tadi, perilaku apa yang menunjukkan kesopanan?
Using polite words.
Yes, polite words are part of social norms. And then,
Speaking in a respectful tone.
good, tone of voice also show politeness. And then,
Not interrupting others.
yes, exactly. This is called turn talking. And what happens when politeness is ignored?
People will feel uncomfortable.
Yes, that is a common reaction, or others can think the person is rude. So dari video tadi juga ada 5 purpose of making a polite inquiry. Nah, ini bisa kalian catat nih. To show respect, to receive clear and helpful response, and then to maintain the professional image, to encourage open and ongoing communication. So selanjutnya ada among the few phrase that you can use to inquire politely. The first is excuse me, could you please explain? Nah, ini bisa kalian gunakan ya untuk berkomunikasi dengan orang lain dengan sopan. And then would you mind helping me with blah 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 blah. And then I was wondering if you could tell me, or may I ask a question about? Nah, itu bisa kalian gunakan ya. Nah, coba dari yang LKPD 1 tadi, siapa yang mau volunteer buat menunjukkan jawabannya? First, Dinda. Perhatiin ya, siapa tahu kalian jawabannya sama atau beda dengan Dinda.
Okay, for the first row, for observed behavior is the speaker uses polite words when talking to others. And the social norm, people should speak politely in daily communication. As for possible sanction, others may feel uncomfortable if someone is rude. And lastly, vocabulary identified. It is their politeness, behavior, and norm. For row 2, the observed behavior is someone interrupts another person while speaking. As for social norm, people should respect turn taking in conversation. Then possible sanction, the person can be seen as impolite. Lastly, vocabulary identified are turn taking, sanction, and behavior.
Okay, thank you Dinda
Okay, Miss.
for the quick answer. And next? Okay, Raisa.
So my answer is for the row 1, the observed behavior is the speaker uses polite expression in conversation, and the social norm is people should use polite language in society. And the possible sanction is rude language can make others uncomfortable, and the vocabulary identified is politeness, behavior, and norm. For the row 2, the observed behavior is someone interrupts while another person is talking. And the social norm is people should not interrupt others. And then the possible sanction is the person may be judged as rude. And for the vocabulary identified is turn taking, sanction, and behavior. So that's all from me.
Okay, thank you Raisa. Give applause. Nah, next. Jadi tadi udah kita pelajarin. Oke, terima kasih untuk yang sudah mau volunteer menunjukkan jawabannya. Dan sekarang kita lanjut ke LKPD kedua. So, for the second section, work in pairs and choose one scenario. So, kalian bisa pilih dari ke-8 ini, bisa greeting a new classmates, borrowing a pen or book politely, or apologizing after bumping into someone or something. Kalian bisa kerja bikin ini ya, kelompok berdua-berdua, bisa dengan mau bebas atau dengan teman sebelah. Bebas, oke. Silakan. Silakan buat bikin berdua ya, bukan bertiga. Silakan dibuat percakapannya. I give you 10 minutes ya. Oke, finish? Finish. Kalau udah, kelompok siapa yang mau maju?
Misha, Miss, kami Miss.
Boleh. Oke, siapa yang mau volunteer? Boleh. Naisha and Belinda.
Yeah. We chose topic scenarios number 5, Miss.
Oke.
Giving polite
Feedback to a group member. Oke.
So, hi. Do you have a moment to talk about our group discussion? Yeah, sure. What's going on? First, I want to say that I really appreciate your ideas. However, I think we need to improve our turn taking during the discussion. I see. Do you think I spoke too much? Sometimes, yes. According to social norms, we should give everyone a chance to speak. You're right. I didn't realize that. It's okay. Polite communication helps us work better as a group. Thank you for telling me politely. I will try to be more respectful next time. Okay. That's it, Miss.
Great job. Thank you, Naisha and Belinda. Next.
So we choose the last topic, declining an invitation.
Alright.
Hi, would you like to join our group meeting this evening?
Thank you for the invitation. I really appreciate it.
So, can you come?
I'm sorry, I can join you tonight because I already have another speaker.
I understand.
In social interaction, it's important to decline positive or negative feelings.
Yes, I agree. Politeness helps maintain good relationships.
Exactly. I hope this is no misunderstanding.
No problem at all. Thank you for explaining it clearly.
Okay, thank you, Dea and Ella. Your pronoun is clear. Nah, jadi itu ya tadi kalau kalian mau komunikasi dengan teman itu harus menggunakan bahasa yang sopan. Siapa yang tadi bilang nggak mau? Raisa nggak boleh gitu. Nanti Raisa nggak punya teman kalau kayak gitu. So, jadi sekian untuk pembelajaran kita hari ini. And what social norms did you learn today? Politeness. Terus turn talking. Apa coba turn taking tadi? Okay. Alright. So politeness is an important social norms and it helps communication, especially in international context. Yeah. Nah, selanjutnya Miss punya homework. Homeworknya, please record a 1 minute, just 1 minute, guys, about a social norms from your culture. Jadi kalian nanti buat videonya, terus diupload di YouTube. Bisa linknya kirimkan ke Drive Miss, oke? Okay?
Oke, Miss.
Deadline-nya minggu depan, matkul Miss di bawah.
Oke, Miss.
Okay, I think that's all for today. Thank you very much and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.